Hey, Motorman here. If you don't know me, you just wandered to this channel by accident. I've got over 950 videos, most of them on rider tips. But this week I'm going to do something a little bit different because I get so many questions about this. People say, is that a police bike? What's that thing on the front there? Is that a turbo system? Why do you get police bikes? I mean, it's getting annoying. What are you writing a book? But anyway, I'm going to tell you about the police bikes and why I get police bikes and how much I pay for them. Well, not exactly how much I pay for them, but what the supposed MSRP is on a police bike. First, we're going to start with this. This is a Road King police bike, FLHTP it's called. And if you might notice the color, this is called Impact Blue. There are a whole bunch of colors that you can get on police bikes. The standard is either white or black. In other words, you don't pay anything extra for the white or the black, but any of the other colors and the two tones, yeah, you're going to pay a little bit extra for. Now, the main difference between the police bikes in 2020, well, actually 2019 and 2020, this is a 2019, is they come with the 114 motor. So you get the bigger, more powerful motor. They also come with the wiring to hook up what you see right here, which is a siren and an air horn. Now the siren and air horn does not come with the police bike, it's an extra. That alone is like 500 bucks. And then in order to make that work, you have to have an amplifier, which I have mounted on this side in this little bag here, so you really won't be able to see it, but this is where it mounts. These are from Whalen, and I believe the whole deal is pretty close to $1,000. That gives you the siren. I'm going to show you what that sounds like. It's going to be loud now, so cover your ears. Or the air horn. And it also allows me to use the microphone, which if you didn't have the air horn and the siren and the amplifier, you wouldn't be able to do any of this stuff. They do come with the wiring, so you could just plug and play these things. But you there, pull over. I have to use that particular voice when I talk through this. It just comes natural. Come on out with your hands high above your head. You like that voice? Anyway, you can't have any of these things. In other words, with the police bike, it doesn't come with it. That's an extra. And they come with a solo seat, which I'm going to show you right here. Camera girl, would you show them the solo seat? This solo seat, and it's mounted on a frame, and it has this little spring thing, and this plastic cover that covers the frame underneath the seat. This is a very comfortable seat. However, since it sits you up about 6 inches above the frame, unless you're 6'2" like me, it's a little difficult to reach the ground. Since my wife rides this bike, I put the standard Road King seat on here. It also does not come with passenger pegs or any ending for the passenger. As a matter of fact, that's a solo seat, and they do make a pad. I think Mustang Seats makes ones that you could use with the police seat. It is a comfortable seat, but like I said, sits you way up in the air. And I hear so many people talk about the center of gravity on a motorcycle and what bike has a lower center of gravity. Really, that means absolutely nothing if you actually know how to use the clutch, throttle, your head and eyes, and the rear brake. The reason I say that is because with that seat sitting 6 inches above the frame, and then the rider on top of that, that should make for an extremely high center of gravity. Yet you see myself and other police officers riding the bike like a child's toy, even my wife, because it has nothing to do with the center of gravity. You create that yourself with the clutch, throttle, rear brake, head and eyes, the 3 techniques I teach. And in addition, what you get, walk around here, camera girl, to the front. Police bikes normally come with red and blue lights, and they wig-wag. That means they switch from side to side. I'm going to show you what that looks like. These are clear lights that I put in there, but normally they just go back and forth. You getting that, camera girl? Yep. All right, that should be off now. So that's some of the differences. Now, if you get a standard Road King, you're going to get the 107 motor. To get the 114 motor on a Road King, you got to get the Road King Special, and they're up around $23,000. Now let's walk over here. Let's take a look at the Electroglide. This is a 2020. As of 2020, they all came, now the police bikes, standard with the RDRS system. That's traction control, cornering ABS. You got a little switch here for a rain mode or a drive mode right over here. and they come with heated grips, which is a real nice feature even here in Florida. In the wintertime, it could get a little bit cold in the morning, and I'm telling you, these heated grips are terrific. On the police bikes, that is no extra cost. And in fact, they didn't even change the price from 2019 police bikes to the 2020 model. So you're asking so many people, what's the MSRP? That is manufacturer's suggested retail price for a police motorcycle. Well, actually, there isn't one, because these aren't sold retail. How this works is a police agency wants to get 10 or 12 motorcycles, whatever it may be. They want to get the new models. They put out a bid for them. So several dealers will put out a bid and say, I can get you one for $15,000. I'll get you one for $10,000, whatever the price may be. Of course, the agency goes with the cheapest bid. Normally, a civilian cannot buy a police bike, though there are some dealers, and a guy I know just recently, I don't know exactly where he's from, but he wanted my exact bike. I think he wants to be me. But what he did was he went to the dealership. They were willing to order him one, and when the bike came in, he picked it up. I think he said he paid around $20,000 out the door. It might have been $21,000. But normally these are a couple of grand cheaper than an equivalent civilian bike. On the Electroglides, this is closer to the Electroglide Standard than it is to the Ultra or any of the other models. It does not come with a radio. I had this radio put in with the faceplate and the installation. It was somewhere around $500, but they have radios also that take up this whole piece here, I think from Sony, but you're looking at about $1,000. But these bikes do not come with a radio, but they do come with the RDRS system. They come with the 114 motor on the Electroglide, the heated grips, and I've heard people have paid anywhere from $17,800, which is a fantastic price for one of these, up to about $18,500. And like I said, I know somebody who just recently paid 20 grand. If you can get one of these for 20 grand, you are getting a good deal as compared to the equivalent civilian motorcycle. On the Road Kings, I've heard as low as $17,200. And how a civilian can get one of these motorcycles, normally the dealer orders one. Let's say he orders 10 or 12 from a police agency. The agency decides they only need 8 of them. So they'll take those other bikes and they'll sell them to the public, but they have to wait between 90 days and 120 days and put it in their demo fleet before they could sell it to the public. And then it's whatever deal that you can make on them. I mean, make them an offer on the motorcycle. And I think right now, if you went to a dealer who's got one of these, who's got a police bike, you're going to get a pretty good deal, because I understand they're hurting and they want to move motorcycles. So if they've got some of them sitting around and it's past that 90 days or 120 day, they could sell it to you immediately. I went on, just did a quick Google search the other day for 2020 police motorcycles, and I think I quickly found 7 or 8 of them spread all over the country, several of them here in Florida. They were all, I put in an Electroglide, so they came up with them, and generally they're going to be white or black, usually black. But you can, if you order one, you can get as any of a dozen different color combinations. You got to pay extra for that, and the dealer has to be willing to order the bike. You pay for them, I guess, with a deposit. The bike comes in, you're going to have to wait a while before you could actually pick it up, before he could sell it to you. So that's how it works with the police bikes. And by the way, they don't come with any kind of a tour pack. I'm going to show you. Stay there, camera girl. This is the rack that normally comes on police motorcycles. It's actually the same rack that you'll find on the Ultra. If you took your pack off, your tour pack off, this is what's underneath, and it's the same now as the police bikes. This particular rack is from this tour pack is from Advan Black, and it's the color I got from them, since they didn't have Impact Blue, was Electric Blue, which happens to be the exact same color as Impact Blue. And while I'm back here, let me show you this, because this I think is really important. You can get the Ride Like a Pro and Surviving the Mean Streets. It's on our website. $34.95 on USB. The USB comes in handy because you can plug it right into your phone with that little adapter that's probably sitting in the box that you got with your phone. We still have the special Shortcuts to Riding Like a Pro and Surviving the Mean Streets, both of these for 20 bucks plus shipping. And you got to call to get this particular deal. It's 866-868-7433 between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't be calling me from Tarzana or Biafra or one of those strange third world countries at 3 o'clock in the morning. We won't answer the phone. This is not on the website. You got to call to get the 2 for $20 deal. If you go to the website, you can still buy them, but it's going to cost you an extra $10, so you don't want to do that. We also have our book. This includes everything, how to set the cores up. It shows you everything from low-speed handling to high-speed handling. And this is how much, Camera Girl?
$19.95 US.
Plus $5 shipping? I think it's $24.95 with shipping, yes. $24.95 with shipping. Check out the website. This is on the website. And also, every one of my videos, you get the Ride Like a Pro video or the Shortcuts video. It comes with a pamphlet that shows you how to set up each of the courses. So, to sum it up, there really is no MSRP on police bikes. The dealer can charge you anything he wants, but right now, like I said, it's a buyer's market. So if they've got a police bike sitting around and is brand new, maybe it has a few miles from people taking it for a ride, they are a great deal. And one of the reasons that I get the police bike is because our police agency here, the sheriff's office here, allows me, even though I'm retired, to put on the uniform, get on the bike, pull people over, write them tickets, and I get to keep half the money. And I got a payment coming next week, so I'm going to be doing that. Probably I'll stake out the stop sign down the street here. I'm kidding. I just made that up. I know that pisses people off. No, that could never happen. I get the police bikes because we use them in our show, and they're already equipped with all the wiring I need to just plug in the siren and the amplifier. So, till next week, or probably a couple of days from now, I'm going to be giving you another video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Maybe a road test, it may be a riding video, but make sure that you subscribe, click that little bell, so every time I come out with a video, you'll be notified. Till next time.